Hi everyone, my name is Shaz Jung and I am a wildlife photographer and a Samsung ambassador.
I'm out here in the wilderness with my Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, shooting with the all-new Expert RAW app. The beauty of the jungle lies in its unpredictability. You never know what you might find. Your subject could be as large as an elephant or as small as a spider. I ventured out on safari to use the Expert RAW app. Switching between the lenses is important, and now with this app, I have full control of my settings with each of these camera lenses. An hour into our game drive, we struck gold. Perched in a tree sat a beautiful leopard, and I used the 10x optical zoom and tweaked my shutter speed to capture some amazing photographs. Back at the lodge, we found this giant wood spider. To be able to now manually control the focus on all the lenses is an absolute game changer. Is Spectra 5G, I can easily share these large high-quality files with my friends and colleagues using QuickShare. The entire process is seamless.
Watch out for the Expert RAW app to be available on your Galaxy S21 Ultra and upcoming Galaxy devices soon. This phone takes some incredible pictures, and the possibilities, just like the jungles, are now endless.